Okay, so I just checked in to Park MGM for the first time. I've been here before when it used to be Monte Carlo, and what I remember was the room was not too small, and this room doesn't look so bad. So they definitely remodeled it to be more trendy, I guess. So it's one king bed with some fashionable photography and red couch looks pretty cool. And there's the TV and a full-length mirror right here. And what is awkward is that TV is right here and the bed is right here, so I don't think I will be able to watch TV while I'm lying on the bed. It seems like it's rotating a little bit, but it doesn't look like. Let me see. Okay, so this is the angle, and I need to roll to the left to watch TV. So I think it might be fair, but I don't think this structure. I don't think. This is a little awkward. So there's one chair. So let's move to the. So this is the dress room. Wait, is there a fridge? Is there a fridge? No fridge. So I don't find a fridge. It's a sliding door. So if you slide to the right, you can open the dressing room, and you can slide it to the left. You can open the door to the bathroom. The bathroom looks clean. Things seems pretty new. Checking in the shower booth, because last time when I was in Chicago, the shower booth was wet, like someone just used it. So this is the. I like the bathroom here. Looks decent. And there's soap, Qol, soap. This seems like it's a hair dryer. Cool. Cool. And what I just realized is that what is a little bit off is that if you are sharing a room with someone, and if you are just getting out of your bathroom, if you're just getting out of the bathroom and you slide the door to the other side, and if there was someone hanging their coat without knowing that I was getting out, the person might get hurt. So yeah. So this is how the hallway looks like. And the space is it called lobby?
I don't think it's called lobby. It's just some resting area next to elevator, and this photograph column kind of looks cool. So it's the second day I am staying in this room, and what I figured is that room is super cold and the heater is not working at all. So I contact them and tell them that the heater is not working and room is pretty cold. They sent someone and they were like, oh, I feel the room isn't that cold and maybe we can just give you some blankets so keep you warm. And they were like, actually this like air conditioning temperature kind of thing is not accessible from individual room, but it's controlled by the, I don't know, I think they have some sort of control center. So yeah, I had to stay cold. So overall, I'll say Park MGM is pretty cool. Considering their room rates, they have really great room rates, and their location is pretty cool. It's right next to New York, and in front they have this what was it called, game center, something like that, and they have like Shake burgers, etc., and T-Mobile Arena right next. So yep, it's pretty cool overall, just that the heater was not working and it was pretty cold in the room, so that was a bit odd. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.